When the fuel is subjected to a high temperature with insufficient oxygen, it turns to soot. This soot is the black smoke. On the other hand, when the combustion takes place at a relatively low temperature, the unburned fuel is exhausted as steam. This steam is the white smoke. Take into account the cause of the occurrence of black smoke. The black smoke is caused by the fuel that is incompletely burned at a high temperature. So, when does the combustion become incomplete? The causes are thought to be as follows. This shows that the ratio between the fuel and air affects the occurrence of black smoke. Presently, these causes are suppressed by introducing a fuel rail common rail, injection system, or electronically controlled fuel injection system. Let's introduce another cause of the black smoke of the diesel engine. Diesel engines inject the fuel at a high pressure and high temperature developed by taking in air. The fuel is atomized to be easy to burn. If the fuel is not completely atomized, the combustion may be incomplete, resulting in black smoke. The causes of incomplete atomization are thought to be as follows. The causes of the occurrence of white smoke are thought to be as follows for both diesel and gasoline engines.